Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present to you Math Quiz Adventure. This is a board game designed to make mathematics fun, interactive, and rewarding. Now, this game was carefully created with learners in mind. The winding adventure path from start to finish mirrors a classic treasure hunt. Along the way, players encounter colorful spaces, traps, and bonuses, all while engaging with 5 key areas of mathematics: numbers, patterns, shapes, measurement, and data. Each category is represented with clear icons and examples, ensuring that the learners connect the game directly to their classroom knowledge. The design also includes a motivational system. Players collect gems by answering questions correctly. These gems act as rewards, encouraging learners to stay engaged and persevere until they reach the treasure chest at the end. Now, let me demonstrate how the game is played. So firstly, we're going to roll with the setup. You're going to place the board with some dice and colored cubes in front of the learners. Each player starts at the start sign, which is over here. Roll the dice. On their turn, a player rolls the dice and moves forward the number of spaces shown. You also answer a question, which is on the second page here. The color of spaces determines the math category. So for example, red is numbers over here. Green is patterns over here. Purple is the shapes, which is over here. Orange is the measurement, and blue is data. The player must answer a question from that category. Now, when we collect our gems, a correct answer earns the player a gem of the matching color. Incorrect answers mean no gem is collected, and the turn passes to the next player. The special spaces, though, landing on bonus, gives the players an extra gem, while trap makes them lose a gem or skip a turn. And number 6, lastly, is winning the game. The first player to reach finish with all 5 gems, red, green, blue, and yellow, and purple, is declared the winner. This step-by-step structure ensures clarity, fairness, excitement, and learners are not only practicing math, but also developing teamwork, perseverance, and problem solving, all towards the CAP documents that was downloaded and was studied. I want to thank you for taking the time to look at my presentation. These are the questions that I can follow up with any sort of questions that is matched into the category. So if it is numbers, it is something like 1 plus 1 or 3 minus 2. If it's patterns, it is something as clear as 2, 4, 6, 5, 10, 15, so on and so forth. The shapes could be how much sides does a triangle have, understand? And measurement would be measure this as 5 centimeters or measure this in 10 centimeters. If this is 5 centimeters, minus it with 2 centimeters, understand? And then you have your data, understand? That goes in correlation with the gems, right? So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for my presentation. Enjoy.